How to fix stuck getting Windows ready? Don't turn off your computer error. First step, if the screen has appeared recently, wait for some time. Windows may still be completing an update, especially on slower PC or after a large update. If it has been stuck for several hours with no progress, continue to next step. Force restart your PC. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the PC turn off. Wait 20 seconds to 30 seconds and turn PC on. Then move on with next step. Open command prompt, right click run as administrator and type the following text. SFC space / scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. The verification is ongoing. Successfully completed, no error was found. Exit it, then move on with next step. The last and final step, click settings. Click system settings. Click recovery settings. Click reset this PC and click reset PC. Once you clicking after, a pop-up will appear. Reset the PC, choose an option. Keep my files or remove everything. Keep my files, remove apps, settings, but keep your personal files. But remove everything, remove all your personal files, apps and settings. Depends on you, you can click it. I go with keep my files. How would you like to reinstall Windows? Cloud download, which will download and reinstall Windows, and local reinstall Windows from this device. I go with local reinstall. Additional settings you need to check it, depends on you, you can choose it and click confirm. Click next. Ready to reset this PC. You need to check the settings. So after checking, you click reset. Thank you.